Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen from Maggi easy method. Boil 2 cups of water in a pan, add the Maggi noodles, and cook for 2 minutes until soft. Stir in the seasoning packet and a teaspoon of oil to prevent sticking. Add chopped vegetables or an egg for extra flavor, then simmer briefly and serve hot with a squeeze of lime or chili flakes to taste. Combine Maggi seasoning with extras to boost flavor. Heat a small pan, toast crushed garlic and ginger for a minute, then add oil. Toss in sliced scallions, carrots, and a splash of soy sauce or a beaten egg and scramble. Finish with sesame oil and freshly ground black pepper, taste and adjust seasoning, then plate the ramen for a quick, satisfying meal you can customize in minutes for late nights or busy days. Quick recommendation: if you like helpful kitchen tips, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a smart cleaning upgrade that hears voice commands and maps rooms to clean efficiently with little fuss. It cuts downtime so you have more time to cook ramen. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Timing matters. Cook the noodles until tender but not mushy. Use a fork to separate strands and drain most water, leaving a little for broth. Transfer to a bowl and arrange toppings like herbs, chili flakes, or roasted sesame seeds for texture. Serve immediately to enjoy optimal chew and temperature, and experiment with protein or vegetables to make the meal more balanced without losing the classic Maggi comfort and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.